7 दिन 12 मॉडल्स, एक रेसी क्रेजी नो मर्सी फैशन बूट कैंप। This is the survival of the fittest and the hottest, जहां होगा इनके daring, determination, discipline और dedication का test. Welcome to Pepe Jeans London presents Zoom Fashion Drill Model of Honor powered by Yamaha. ये तलाश है उन दो हॉट, सेक्सी और पैशनेट गो गेटर्स की जो मॉडल्स ऑफ ऑनर बनने खुद को करेंगे पुश अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स. द बिग प्राइज, अ कूल न्यू wardrobe by Pepe Jeans London. And to add to that, the male model of honor also gets to ride away on a macho Yamaha FZ Lord of the Streets. And as for the female model of honor, a brand new sporty Yamaha Ray is all hers. The winners also get a feature spread in the prestigious Elle magazine and a modeling contract worth ₹5 lakhs with Tuab management. लेकिन उससे पहले, they will be grilled and drilled by the Zoom Fashion Drill mentors and judges. Ace runway choreographer Alison Kanuga, Stella photographer Subi Samuel, and of course the stunning supermodel Netra Raghuraman.
Let the fashion drill begin.
Zoom Fashion Drill पे अब तक बीत चुके हैं 4 एक्शन पैक्ड दिन. The contestants have faced 4 grueling challenges. And while some have proved their mettle, the others need to buck up. क्योंकि it really is now or never. Day 5 has kicked off and our go-getters are getting fashion ready for their next challenge.
For skin, what I'm using is Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse. It's really light on your skin, yet it gives you beautiful coverage. So that is what we want for this look.
Hairstyling done often tends to drive one's stress. The perfect solution, the fabulous Tresemme conditioner and products which nourish the tress and bring back its shine.
For the first look, we are going to give them the Pepe jeans with whites.
The overall feel is basically really rugged and like rustic.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's everyone today?
Very good.
सुना आप लोग का बहुत मेहनत हो रहा है.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा.
आज का जो हमारा ड्रिल है उसका नाम है फैशन अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. ये देखकर आपको क्या समझ में आता है?
We're gonna use this. We're gonna pose with this. I think a lot of work, creativity that's gonna be there, high fashion. Yeah. In a more rugged way.
I like what you said. You said lots of work. Yes, it's going to be lots of work. We're going to use Pepe jeans, जो आप लोग सब पहने हुए हैं, and you're all looking beautiful, wonderful, handsome.
Thank you.
Any prop that you want to use, आपको जो कोई भी prop use करना है, वो आप use कर सकते हैं. Excited?
Sounds great. Very much.
Hey, let's roll. Lalit, let's go.
picked up a huge drill. हालांकि मुझे काफी मुश्किल हो रही थी इसको पिक करने में.
ये हाथ ऐसा मत रख. Beautiful. Stay there, please. Yeah. The other side.
Same thing as this side. Tough time है, बहुत धूप है. All about being rough and tough.
Do one thing. Swing on that. Yeah. Last two. You know, all these variations that he had, premeditated and thought about, that I thought was very, very good about him.
I don't want any tractors or mixers around me. वो पतली सी फ्रेम थी वुडन की, उस पे बैलेंस करना is not easy.
Lift yourself up. Lift, go. Yeah, just this. This is what I'm saying. Go higher and do this. Very good. I love the way your body is looking at. Yeah. Point your toes down. Flat.
वो मेरा toughest shot था till date.
Lovely. Flex abs. Nice. Go, 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 go. Yeah, Sunny, brilliant.
द शॉट जो मैंने दिया है वो कोई भी करके दिखाए, कोई भी.
Sunny, brilliant. He's only done 7 frames and I've got my frame instead of the 15 that we were asking for. Very well done.
Thank you so much.
I told you to stand up on the tire, right?
काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हो गई थी मैं अपने आप में कि मैं इस पे स्लिप भी हो रही हूँ, मुझको अच्छा पोज भी देना है.